Hi, I'm Vince Ippolito. I'm a solutions architect within the healthcare practice at Automation Anywhere, and I get to work with some of the top healthcare providers across the country on a daily basis in an effort to help them introduce intelligent automation into their organization. Healthcare recently has been overburdened with clinician burnout and skilled labor shortages, and nothing can help that more than automation. But it can be challenging to adopt new technologies, especially in the healthcare space, which is heavily regulated, and there's a lot of concerns about adopting new technologies, especially in the IT space. So it's best when you're trying to approach an initiative like automation to start with a very simple use case to really get your hands around how this technology works. Now, the simple one that I often recommend to most of the healthcare providers that I work with is starting with primary source verification. Now, this is a process that typically exists within the HR organization, where an HR specialist might need to check the internal systems to identify clinician licenses that are on file with their internal systems as well as state websites to make sure that they're in compliance and putting the right clinicians in front of patients to optimize care. Now, we're going to take a second to walk through this use case and show you how we built this automation. Let's watch the bot run with a truncated sample set of licenses. First, we'll use the desktop icon to log into Ari, our digital assistant. Specific process automations are made available to each user based on their predetermined roles. Primary source verification automation will manage each bot's access to the needful data and applications and websites. After running the bot, output data will be populated here in the text box. Every click and keystroke you see now is automated by the bot and can be ran in the background. Right away, the bot gets to work by navigating to the first website on the list and searching for pharmacy tech's license on file with the state. When the license is found, we capture the expiration date and take a screenshot for audit purposes. Same process is repeated for every license across various websites. Next shown is a mental health counselor. Once that license is found, we extract the expiration date and take a screenshot, similar to the last process. And now we'll show one more website for rad techs. But how will the bot react if a license is not found? In this example shown here, we will take a screenshot and notify an HR specialist via an error log for further action. When the process completes, relevant data is shown in the output box. Output files are saved to the local machine and emailed to the necessary team members for follow-on action. All output is fully customizable to match your internal processes. What we are showing is simply an example of how to implement a similar automation for facilitating primary source verification within your organization. So that's it. That's our solution for primary source verification that can be implemented within any organization. And it's just one of many places to get started to allow automation to have a big impact within your organization. Thanks for joining me.